The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7 is all set to launch in July 2025, and Samsung is proudly advertising it as the thinnest foldable smartphone in the world. But is this sleek new claim really true, or is it just a smart twist of marketing? Well, buckle up, because a deep dive into recent leaks and expert analysis suggests that Samsung's bold claim might be bending the truth literally. Mobile phone thinnest foldable ever? The truth behind the hype. Samsung isn't the first to declare its foldable phone the slimmest in the game. Just a few weeks ago, Oppo made a similar announcement about its Find N5. But now, eagle-eyed tech experts and leakers are questioning whether these claims hold up under actual measurement. While Samsung promotes the Galaxy Z Fold7 as having a thickness of just 3.9 mm when unfolded, new findings show that the real-world thickness might be closer to 4.45 mm. That's a noticeable difference, especially when this thinness is a key selling point. Detective leakers reveal the real measurements. The controversy began when respected French leaker Steve Hemmerstoffer, known as @OnLeaks, reached out to the X, formerly Twitter, community for clarification on the actual thickness of the Galaxy Z Fold6 and its successor, the Fold7. Using CAD renderings, Steve measured the Galaxy Z Fold7 at around 4.5 mm in February. Soon after, another reliable source, Ice Universe, claimed the Fold7 was only 3.9 mm thick. So who's correct? The answer is both. But here's the catch, it all comes down to how the measurement is taken. Straight ruler. Samsung's a creative e-measurement method. According to tech YouTuber Shane Craig, Samsung measures the thickness of the Z Fold7 only up to the edge of the flexible display, and completely ignores the additional 0.5 mm bezel that protrudes above it. This bezel is actually quite important, as it prevents the two display halves from touching when the phone is folded. Because of this, the actual folded thickness ends up being 8.9 mm, instead of double the claimed 3.9 mm. This discrepancy reveals how Samsung is subtly manipulating specs for marketing gain, even if the numbers aren't technically false. IceCube Oppo is playing the same game. Interestingly, Samsung isn't alone in this measurement loophole. Shane Craig also investigated Oppo's Find N5 and discovered similar inaccuracies. Here are some leaked real versus official thickness comparisons. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold6, official equals 5.6 mm, actual equals 6.2 mm. Oppo Find N5, official equals 4.2 mm, actual equals 4.56 mm. Galaxy Z Fold7, claimed equals 3.9 mm, estimated actual equals 4.45 mm. Clearly, there's a pattern here. Major foldable manufacturers are bending the tape measure to appear thinner than they truly are. Thinking face, does it really matter for users? So the big question is, do these millimeter-level discrepancies really affect user experience? The short answer? Not significantly. A difference of 0.5 mm isn't likely to be felt in day-to-day use. But for a premium flagship foldable device where thinness is being hyped as a revolutionary feature, transparency matters. Consumers deserve to know the truth behind the specs, especially when marketing campaigns heavily emphasize ultra-thin design.